Do you know the names of these gym machines in English? Let's find out. Treadmill. A machine for walking or running in one place.
I run on the treadmill for 20 minutes every morning.
Dumbbells. Small weights that you hold in your hands for strength training.
She lifts dumbbells to build her arm muscles.
Barbell. A long bar with weights attached at both ends.
He lifted a heavy barbell during his workout.
Exercise bike. A stationary bike for indoor cycling.
I use the exercise bike for 30 minutes to burn calories.
Rowing machine. A machine that simulates the action of rowing a boat.
The rowing machine gives a full body workout.
Kettlebell. A weight shaped like a ball with a handle.
He swings the kettlebell for strength training.
Resistance bands. Elastic bands used for stretching and strength exercises.
She uses resistance bands to train her legs.
Pull-up bar. A bar for doing pull-ups and chin-ups.
He does 10 pull-ups on the bar every day.
Leg press machine. A machine for training the leg muscles by pushing weights.
The leg press machine strengthens the thighs.
Bench press. A bench with a barbell for chest exercises.
He does bench press to build chest muscles.
Medicine ball. A heavy ball used for strength and coordination training.
She throws the medicine ball against the wall.
Jump rope. A rope used for jumping exercises to improve cardio.
He uses a jump rope for 15 minutes as warm-up.
Elliptical trainer. A cardio machine that simulates walking and running with less impact.
The elliptical trainer is easier on the knees.
Battle ropes. Heavy ropes used for full body strength and cardio workouts.
He trains with battle ropes to improve endurance.
Lat pull-down machine. A machine for training the back muscles by pulling a bar down.
He uses the lat pull-down machine for his upper back.
Foam roller. A foam cylinder used for stretching and muscle recovery.
She uses a foam roller after exercise to relax muscles.
Punching bag. A heavy bag used for boxing and martial arts training.
He hits the punching bag to practice boxing.
Step platform. A raised platform used for step exercises and aerobics.
She does step aerobics on the step platform.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.